Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and join a game just so you guys can see this actually works. But it is super cool, guys, totally working. So as you can see, it's loading up right here. And I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, we got the whole menu there on the right. So this actually works and is super cool. So I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. So as you can see, all the settings, so it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it onto your device. You can see all the options. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, all these settings here, very cool. So if you feel the desire to have it on your phone, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website install-delta.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's install-delta.com. So once you're on the website, guys, you're going to go ahead and press the button that says start injecting. And then it's going to ask you if you're on an iPhone or an Android. So press inject. And before it downloads, there is going to be the verification where we have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So as you can see, it says verify now, so press that, and then we just have to download a couple of these apps. So you can see all the apps here. So I'm going to go ahead and download 2 of them. So I'm going to do Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you do another one. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do this one right here. So it's going to take me to the App Store. So let's just wait for this to load. So let's go to the home screen and see what happens. So first we'll do Travel Town. So just got to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and run that. All right. So let's just go ahead and do that. Just playing through it. All right. So I'm just going to run that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. All right. All right, just playing through it, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. So now we'll do the other one. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, as you can see. So just going to run this right here. All right. So just playing through it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to run that right here. All right. Just playing around with it. Pretty easy. So I'm just going to do that, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and do that. So anyway, guys, now we will have the Delta Executor on your phone. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you later. But definitely go ahead and try it out. So yeah, get the word out. As you can see, it works. So it's super cool. So look at that. We're walking around. We got the joystick. All these settings. So pretty crazy stuff. So be sure to try it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, peace out.